Hi, we're from Team Make Things Work. Now, try to imagine a marketing analyst is racing her deadline. She pays in client financial data into a free AI tool to speed things up. With just a click, the data now is sitting on a server that her company doesn't control, doesn't audit, and doesn't even know it ever existed. This scenario is playing out across the region. 91% of Malaysian organizations have adopted AI tools, but 36% admitted that their staff were actually using AI tools that the IT department never approved. That gap between adoption and oversight is called the shadow AI, and it's a blind spot. 41% of the companies doesn't even know which AI tools their staff are actually using in the first place. And therefore, when something breaks, there's no trail of what data went in or why. Therefore, we set out to do three things: prevent sensitive data from reaching unapproved models, help employees to adopt tools safely without slowing down their productivity, and give the security team centralized visibility across the organizations. That's why we came up with our solution, ShadowSeek, a real-time governance layer that sits between your employees and every AI tool they use, built on one belief: the safest path should always be the easiest one. Next, I will pass the stage to my teammates to proceed with the product demonstration.
I'm an employee and I want to use AI tools. How do I start?
You can log into your employee portal and open the AI tool catalog. Here, you can browse all approved and unapproved AI tools. Click View Label to open an AI nutrition label. It shows the risk score, retention policies, and lists what data is allowed or unsafe. From there, click Go to page to launch the tool safely.
What if the tools I want isn't in the catalog?
Go to the Request Approval page and submit a quick form with your business reason.
What if I need to use an unapproved tools for quick tasks right now?
Before pasting anything into that queue, use the AI Governance Assistant page to clean your data first. For prompts, the automated prompt sanitizer replaces sensitive variables with safe placeholders. For files, the document scanner generates a completely safe mock file. You can then safely feed that sanitized data to external tools without risking a leak.
What if I forget to pre-check my prompt or file before passing them into an AI tool?
No worries, our browser extension catches it in real time. If you paste sensitive data, like a national ID, into an unapproved tool, a real-time moment of use alert will pop up with the risk details. You can instantly switch to an approved tool, request access, or auto-redact the text. If you choose to auto-redact, the system will automatically replace the sensitive text with generic terms before sending.
Now, as an executive or compliance admin, how do I monitor risk metrics?
You can log into the admin portal. On the site navigation bar, you will see an overall compliance score showing how closely the organization adheres to regulations. Then, check the governance dashboard to track total adoption, unapproved usage, and risk drivers. It also highlights our key KPI, self-resolved risk events, showing the percentage of employees who sanitize their data after a warning.
How does this keep approval fast so we don't slow down productivity?
Request hit the admin approval dashboard with an AI risk summary. Admins can approve tools in days or use the Approve or Low Risk button for instant green lighting.
How do I verify compliance over time without invading employee privacy?
Check the audit logs. It tracks real-time metadata like user ID, department, tool use, and risk level without logging any actual prompt text.
What if we need to update our company AI policy?
Use the Policies and Analytic page. You can analyze policy triggers, add new rules, and set enforcement action like warn, block, or sanitize.
So, in conclusion,
this system doesn't just monitor compliance, it actively educates employees and fixes the shadow AI problem from the ground up. About tech stack, we use React and Tailwind to power clean, simple dashboards. For instant privacy protection, we use Python Fast API and Microsoft Residual to cache and clean sensitive data in milliseconds. We also use GPT models to handle policy checks and file cleaning. For program, SQL is used for database.
Uncontrolled shadow AI is a massive security risk, but most companies don't have a dedicated AI security team, and that's where ShadowSeek comes in. Our fully managed platform powered by ShadowSeek allows employees to use AI safely by automatically sanitizing sensitive prompts and generating synthetic data for risk-free testing. We do also capture real-time usage insights so management can refine policies and target training where employees actually get confused. We do also have audit trails aligned with global standards like EU AI Act, where ShadowKeys can give you the turnkey governance to innovate safely and fast. That's all of our project. Thank you.